Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Attorney E Immigration Lawyer. My name is Attorney Elena Antonio Bordeaux. In today's episode, pag-usapan natin ang asylum application process in the United States. Before that, I want to introduce myself. I'm licensed in New York, based here in Texas. I've been practicing immigration law for more than 10 years. Okay, let's get started. Before we start, disclaimer, this presentation is for educational purposes only. This is not meant to replace a consultation with a qualified immigration attorney. No attorney-client relationship is formed by watching this presentation. Okay, asylum application in the United States. If you are in the US, you may apply for asylum regardless of your country of nationality or current immigration status. So kung expired na ang status mo, or kung pumasok ka ng walang inspection, or you came here unlawfully or illegally, or kung may lawful status ka naman, ay pwede kang mag-file ng asylum application if you were persecuted or have a fear that you will be persecuted because of your race, nationality, religion, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion. Okay. So, dito binabanggit yung 5 grounds, 5 protected grounds or class. Now, at least one of these grounds ang kailangan maging ground mo for asylum application. Kung wala dito, kung meron kang fear pero hindi naman isa dun sa mga grounds na to, then hindi siya po pwede sa asylum application, but you can check out withholding of removal under the UN Convention Against Torture. So pag-usapan natin yan in another episode. We're just gonna focus on asylum application here. So eligibility requirements. To be considered for asylum within the US, you must be physically present in the US. So dapat nasa US ka. It doesn't matter how you arrive, legally, illegally, lawfully, unlawfully, for less than 1 year from the date of your last arrival. So meron siyang time limit, ano? So dapat less than 1 year from the date of your last arrival, unless you can show that you qualify for an exception. So yung exception, maaring may status ka pa and nag-expire status mo, pero within 1 year from the expiration, pwede pa rin. Or more than a year ka na sa US and then may biglang pagbabago, matinding pagbabago or change of circumstance. Maaring in your country may matinding nangyari or pagbabago, or sa sarili mo ay merong matinding pangyayari or pagbabago na magko-qualify sa asylum. So yung 1 year time limit na yon ay may exception. And makipag-usap sa immigration lawyer kung to know kung wala ka ng 1 year, baka pumasok ka naman doon sa exception. Okay, demonstrate that you were persecuted. So may past persecution, or that you are afraid you might be persecuted. So past, and then you're afraid you might be persecuted. So sabi or, pwedeng walang past persecution, pero meron kang well-founded fear of persecution. Or pwede rin may past persecution. Okay, because of your race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. So yan yung 5 grounds for asylum. Derivative asylum application naman, pwede mong i-include ang spouse mo. So dapat at the time of filing ay married na kayo, and unmarried child or children under 21 years old. So sila yung mga derivatives mo. You can include them when you file the application or at any time before immigration makes a decision on your case. How to file? The 2 types, affirmatively, kung wala ka sa deportation or removal proceedings. We call it removal proceedings now. Pero yun yung deportation. So affirmatively, you file it with USCIS. So may jurisdiction ay USCIS. Defensively naman, kung ikaw ay nasa deportation process or removal proceedings and fina-file mo siya before the immigration court. So you can use asylum actually as one of the defenses in deportation. Okay, definition ng refugee. So ang refugee ang nagpa-file ng asylum. Number one, you must be outside of your country or last habitual residence if you have no nationality. So hindi kang pwedeng mag-file ng asylum, say nasa Philippines ka, dun ka mag-file ng asylum ay hindi ka asylee. So dapat you must be outside of your country. And meron kang well-founded fear of persecution on account of race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. Okay, so outside of your country and you have a well-founded fear of persecution. So pinapersecute ka base sa race mo, sa religion mo or religious belief. Ito yung mga kaso na say, naging Christian siya, tapos kung uuwi siya sa kanyang bansa ay may mga extremist Islamic organizations na magpa-persecute sa kanya, and because of that she's unwilling or unable to return, and she's not able to receive any protection from her government. So isang example siya ng asylum based on religious persecution. Yung meron ding asylum based on political opinion. So say, ang bansa niya ay may isang political party, say the Communist Party of China, tapos meron siyang political opinion na hindi nag-agree or is against that particular political party, and meron siyang well-founded fear of persecution kung babalik siya sa bansa niya. So, maaari siyang mag-file ng asylum based on political persecution. Okay. Meron ding membership in a particular social group. Ito naman yung example, yung mga members ng mga naging biktima ng domestic violence sa kanilang bansa. Or yung mga nagkasakit ng HIV or AIDS, at kung babalik sila sa bansa nila ay ipa-persecute sila. Or yung mga very conservative ang mga bansa nila na kung malalaman na sila ay homosexual or gay, ay ipa-persecute siya. So yun ay po pwedeng maging mag-file ng asylum application based on membership in a particular social group. Unable or unwilling to return to her country of residence. So, hindi makabalik or ayaw mo nang bumalik dahil sa fear mo of persecution. And you're unable or unwilling to receive protection from your country or from your government. Excuse me. So asylum has two basic requirements. Ulitin natin first, asylum applicants must establish na meron kang fear of persecution in your home country. And second, you must prove, so dapat meron kang evidence that you would be persecuted on account of at least one of the 5 protected grounds. Itong race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or particular membership in a particular social group. Ano ba ang persecution? So, ang persecution, dapat may fear ka of persecution. Ang persecution ay pwedeng past persecution, and pwede rin kung walang past persecution ay well-founded fear of persecution or infliction of suffering or harm under government sanction in a way regarded as offensive, such as race, religion, etc., in a manner condemned by civilized government. Threat to the life or freedom of or infliction of suffering or harm upon those who differ in a way regarded as offensive. Yung economic deprivation, na consider din siya, substantial economic deprivation is persecution also, but it must be more than harassment. So meron kang fear of persecution to file an asylum application. Pwede may past persecution, or kung walang past persecution, may well-founded fear of persecution. Kung may past persecution ka, ay nagkikreate siya ng presumption na magkakaroon future persecution kung uuwi ka sa bansa mo. Next episode, breakdown natin ang 5 grounds for asylum, yung race, nationality, religion, political opinion or political persecution, and membership in a particular social group. Magbibigay tayo ng mga examples. And pag-usapan din natin yung affirmative, yung proseso sa affirmative filing. Ito yung pag-file mo nang wala ka sa removal proceeding or deportation proceeding, versus defensive. Kung ikaw ay dinideport, you can file asylum application before the immigration court. And how to apply for work authorization kahit hindi pa napag-desisyon na ng iyong asylum application. Okay? That's our episode for today. Sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please do. Attorney E, immigration lawyer. If you like this presentation, please subscribe and hit like. And if you have any questions, please email me, ebordo@gmail.com. Till next time, bye.